Okay, so here we're starting puzzle 4. You may have noticed if you've watched a couple of these, I tend to start with the 9. That is purely out of habit. That is not something you need to do. You could start anywhere. So we'll start with the 1, just to prove my point. So this column and this column are blocked by the 1. This row is blocked by that one. So there's my 1. This one is blocked here. This one is blocked here. So that's my magic 1. This blocks that entire column, but I don't know which of these two columns it falls into, so I'll mark both of those. Likewise, this blocks that blocks that, but this could still. And what you'll notice is that oftentimes when you're taking notes, there's kind of a matching set. So that kind of indicates that you're doing it right. So this column and this column are blocked. At least that is true on the easier ones. As you get to harder ones, that can be less true. Anyway, this column is blocked. This row and this row are blocked, meaning the only one that's left here is, oh, I forgot to take it out of note-taking, right there. All right, so again, you don't have to go in order. I find it organizes my thinking, but it doesn't matter, so I can jump to 6s. Here's it blocked right there. These two are blocked here, so there's our 6. These two rows are blocked, this column is blocked, so there's that 6. Now both of these columns are blocked, and there it is. All of my 6s are placed. Let's try, did I already do 8s? No, not yet. All right, so that entire column is blocked, so that's where that one goes. Now both of these columns are blocked, so that's where that 8 goes. Both of these columns are blocked, so that's there, and both of these columns are blocked, so that's there. Let's go check out 3s. So this entire column is blocked, and that one's there. This column is blocked, but I don't know which of these it's in. So I'm going to put that there. This column is blocked, but again, I don't know. And there you see that matching set. And that blocks that. It's also blocked by that. And so there's my 3 there. Let's check out 4s. These two rows are blocked, so that 4 goes there. This is blocked by that. This is blocked by that. So there's that 4. This entire column is blocked. This row is blocked, leaving that 4 there. Let's check out 5s. Oh, not a lot on 5s. Look at that. Okay, luckily, we've already done so much that there's only one block left. That's got to be that one, which then blocks that entire row, meaning it's got to be there. That blocks there. This blocks both of those. So that 5 has to be one of those two, but I don't know which yet. This blocks this column, so the 5 has to be in one of those two. But look here, this blocks that entire column, so I now know this needs to go there, and then that just gave me the info I needed for that one. This 5 blocks there, so now I know about that, which then tells me about this, which then tells me about that, and now these two block there, and I've got all my 5s in. So it's all just a matter of finding what you can, and sometimes that will help you find the ones that you couldn't originally. So I'm going to pop my 1s back in and just finish those off. Now look, you can look at this here. It only has 1 left. You can actually count. You can be like, okay, 1, oh, it's missing a 2. It's got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put that 2 in, and while I'm at it, I'm going to snag this 2 and this 2. With these 2 blocked, there's that 2 and that 2 and that 2. Hopefully you followed me on that. I see a 3 is now sitting out there, which then makes that 3. So each decision kind of informs the next decision. So here's a 7, because that's the only one left in that block. This has got to be the 7 there. This has got to be the 7 there. And now all that's left are the spaces for 9s. There you go.